PV14 House. Alright, picture this. You're standing on your rooftop terrace sipping coffee while overlooking White Rock Lake in Dallas, Texas. Sounds like a luxury penthouse, right? Well, guess what? This isn't your typical mansion. This beauty, known as PV14 House, is made from 14 shipping containers. Yeah, you heard that right. 14. This isn't some tiny house experiment, it's a massive 3,700 square foot dream home that takes container living to a whole new level. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, multiple living areas, and insane floor-to-ceiling windows that make you feel like you're floating above the city. The exterior still keeps that raw, industrial look, but step inside, and it's like stepping into a high-end designer home. Polished wood floors, modern furniture, sleek steel beams, it's all about blending rugged with refined. And because the home is elevated, in case of floods, you get unbeatable panoramic views that stretch for miles. But here's the real kicker. The entire home is solar-powered, which means it's not just stylish, it's eco-friendly and energy-efficient too. A house this size that's sustainable and jaw-droppingly beautiful? Now that's a flex. So, let me ask you, if you had the chance, would you swap a traditional mansion for a container-built architectural masterpiece like this? Or does the thought of living in a repurposed steel box still sound too wild for you? Let's talk.